Alright, so circuit repairs back at again. Today we have a 2003 Ford Ranger. We're gonna put it up for sale. See the bumper, it's pretty faded. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is paint the front bumper and the rear and the plastic top right here, this one right here. After that, it'll make it look a lot nicer. Alright, just gonna check out the plastics. You see, you'll see the finished product. So go ahead and clean the surface first where you want to paint that rear bumper, paint that bottom, why not? So yeah, as you see, it's very faded. Alright, just gonna get started. As you see, it's pretty bad. So I might remove the front bumper. Now I'll just wrap it up. Alright, just gonna get started. Alright, so I decided to keep the bumper and just cover right here, and then spray paint. And this little bolt right here, it's easier just to remove it and paint all over it. So I don't have a size 5.5 millimeter. So using the adjustable wrench, just go to remove it. So yeah, if you don't have a tool, you have to improvise, make it work. As you see, it's coming right off. I'm just gonna finish removing the rest. Alright, so all you have to do is pry that little metal part, this little part right here. Just press down on it. Right there. Same thing on the other side. Alright, let me show you on the driver's side. So all you have to do is press it down. See right there. You see that? After that, and press on it. Just go and pull it out. Get to the next one right there. See right there, just press on it. Yeah, just gonna pull it out. Should come right off. Right after that, should come right off. Alright, so for this one, you just have to pry it out from the little metal right there. Just gonna show you that real quick. Just get it from underneath. Like that. See, you should slide right off. There you have it. Alright, so that wasn't as easy as the other one. It's because we couldn't see that little metal right there. And not, all you have to do is just press on that. Just pull it out. So yeah, it's that one right there. Pry it out, just come right off. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna put that back in, so it could be easier just to push it back in. Alright, just gonna clean this surface and then start spraying. Alright, so as you can see, I got started. All I'm doing is giving it a light coat. As you can see, big difference. Right there, let's get that. So as I mentioned, just give it a light coat. Let's keep moving. Going to get started on this trim right here. Just mentioned slide coat. Light coat. Just gonna get the inside part right here. All right, just gonna give our somewhat second coat. So far I've given it 2 coats only. The first one was really dry. Second coat. I don't really like this spray because it sprays a lot. I already shook my spray can, but it still sprays a lot. Let's go all around. Let's check the back. But I will say it looks 1,000 times better compared to how it was. All right, let's check the rear. See right there. Like I said, it looks 1,000 better, 1,000 times better than how it was. See all that drip right there. You want to blend it in, go ahead and give it a 3rd coat. See right there. Alright, so the hardest part for me is wrapping the car, covering the parts that you don't want to paint. Luckily, the wifey was able to help out. So yeah, she taped all this. As you can see, looks much nicer. Alright, just gonna remove the tape, put it back on. So I think I'm just gonna stay with that. Like I said, it looks 1,000 times better. Alright. So yeah, if you want to keep blending it in, just gonna give it 3 coat. As you can see, it's just a spray can. It's not the spray gun. So yeah, this is the results. Alright, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.